To transfer money from PayPal Credit to your bank, start by logging into your PayPal account and ensuring you have a PayPal Credit account. PayPal Credit is a line of credit offered by PayPal that allows you to make purchases and payments. First, navigate to the PayPal website and sign in to your account using your email address and password. Once logged in, click on the PayPal Credit tab, which is usually located on the top or side menu. Next, verify that you have available funds in your PayPal Credit account by checking your balance. If you have sufficient funds, proceed to the next step. To initiate the transfer, click on the Manage My Account tab and select the Transfer Funds option. Choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details, including the amount and the recipient bank account, to ensure everything is accurate. If all the information is correct, confirm the transfer. Please note that transfers from PayPal Credit to your bank account may take a few business days to process, and you may be charged a transfer fee. Be sure to review PayPal's terms and conditions for the most up-to-date information on transfer fees and processing times. Additionally, ensure your bank account is linked to your PayPal account and that it is eligible to receive transfers from PayPal Credit. You can link a bank account by going to the Wallet tab, selecting Link a Bank Account, and following the prompts to enter your bank account information. In summary, transferring money from PayPal Credit to your bank account involves logging into your PayPal account, verifying your PayPal Credit balance, initiating the transfer, reviewing the transfer details, and confirming the transfer. Always review PayPal's terms and conditions to stay informed about transfer fees and processing times.